The Mohican Viburnum, a dependable beauty for your landscape. As a gardener, I'm always on the lookout for plants that are both beautiful and easy to care for. The Mohican Viburnum, Viburnum lantana Mohican, ticks both those boxes. It's a deciduous shrub that offers year-round interest, with stunning white flowers in spring, vibrant red-orange berries in summer, and attractive foliage that changes color throughout the seasons. What does a Mohican Viburnum look like? The Mohican Viburnum boasts a compact and dense habit, making it a great choice for smaller gardens or as a foundation planting. It typically reaches a mature height of 6 to 8 feet and a spread of 5 to 7 feet. The glossy, dark green leaves provide a lush backdrop for the clusters of small, white flowers that appear in late spring. These fragrant blooms are a magnet for pollinators, adding a touch of life and color to the landscape. As summer progresses, the flowers give way to a profusion of bright red-orange berries. These clusters are not only visually appealing, but also a valuable food source for birds, making your garden a haven for wildlife. In fall, the foliage puts on a final show, transforming into shades of yellow, orange, and red before dropping for the winter. How high does Mohican Viburnum grow? One of the great things about the Mohican Viburnum is its manageable size. Unlike its species counterpart, the wayfaring tree viburnum, Viburnum lantana, which can reach upwards of 15 feet, the Mohican stays relatively compact. This makes it a versatile choice for various landscaping needs. Planting tip: to encourage bushier growth, you can lightly prune your Mohican Viburnum when it's young. This will promote the development of more branches and a fuller shape. Viburnum Mohican versus Alfredo. Between Viburnum Mohican and Alfredo, I find Mohican to be a more robust and adaptable choice for my garden, while Alfredo's vibrant foliage and slightly more compact growth make it a striking option, but sometimes less resilient in harsher conditions. How to care for Mohican Viburnum. The Mohican Viburnum is a low-maintenance shrub that thrives in full to part sun. It's adaptable to a wide range of soil types as long as they're well-drained. During its first growing season, provide regular watering, especially during periods of drought. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant. Mulch magic. Apply a 3 to 4 inch layer of mulch around the base of your Mohican Viburnum to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. When to prune Mohican Viburnum. While not strictly necessary, pruning your Mohican Viburnum can help maintain its desired shape and size. The ideal time to prune is in late winter or early spring, before new growth begins. You can remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches, as well as thin out crowded areas to improve air circulation. Pruning tip: avoid pruning too heavily, as this can reduce flower and fruit production. What to plant with Mohican Viburnum. The Mohican Viburnum's versatility makes it a great companion for many other plants. Here are a few ideas. Spring-blooming perennials. Combine your Mohican Viburnum with spring-blooming perennials like columbine, daffodils, or tulips for a burst of color early in the season. Summer-blooming shrubs. Pair your viburnum with other summer-blooming shrubs like hydrangeas, roses, or butterfly bushes to extend the flowering season and create a layered effect. Evergreens. Planting evergreen shrubs like boxwood or holly next to your Mohican Viburnum will add winter interest and provide a green backdrop throughout the year. By incorporating the Mohican Viburnum into your landscape, you'll be adding a touch of beauty and functionality to your garden. With its attractive features, ease of care, and adaptability, this reliable shrub is sure to become a favorite.